Ladies and gentlemen, the umpires for tonight's game. Behind home plate, Edwin Mastroso. At first base, Chad Whitson. Second base, Brennan Miller. Third base, Chris Guccione. And now, ladies and gentlemen, delivering tonight's skate ball. Please welcome Cleveland's own actor, comedian, and television host, Drew Carey. Known for bringing laughter across America, is one of Cleveland's biggest cheerleaders, Chris Brill. We'll welcome him back to his hometown. Thanks for being here tonight, fans. Give it up for Drew Carey.